Wow, this is how we charge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a case for you guys. This is Hiksemi M.2 SSD enclosure case. The velocity 10 GB per second, 10 GB per second for NAV and SATA. So I have one NAV drive here, you see, is 1 TB from Western Digital, 1 TB. This is NAV. What is the difference between NAV and SATA? NAV has one hole here, SATA has two holes, and NAV they are super fast than SATA. So always try to buy NAV one, but this can hold NAV and SATA both in this case. Okay, here is the sticker. Look at the box here. The production of China for sure. This one is a High Vision. The company is Hiksemi here written, but this is the company of camera, High Vision. They have many type of storage device and other model number is written here. You see, lovely boxing is quite beautiful here, lovely. Here we go, guys. What we have more inside? Some catalog, manual of Hiksemi. Here indication how you have to do, how you have to assemble this one. Here we go, you see how to take out the screw and all that. And the most beautiful part of it, it comes with many things. You see, something for hang, for carrying. Okay, lovely. Then you have two type of cable. Look at this cable, guys, very high quality of cable. This one with the belt. This is C cable. You see the C connector, C port, lovely, both sides C. And this one, let's see here, I will take this off. And this is one side normal USB with blue ones, and this is C together. So you can use with different type of device, with your phone, with your computer, whatever you want to use. More than that, it comes with a lovely handy small screwdriver. Look at these, guys, the head, small star screwdriver, and obviously coming with assembling screws. Lovely thinking in this case. 1.5 or 30 millimeter, lovely. You need those, and we have our product. Tight the casing. I take this off. The bottom is some kinds of a sticker. So here we go, take this off. Wow, beautiful. Is aluminum, is not a plastic or cheap material. Here is one screw. I have to take this off. Look at this, guys. Hiksemi looks high quality product, but very small in size. Here you see C port, guys. Here you have one light. Backside is all aluminum, no plastic. Okay, here one screw. Wow, look at the product, guys. Beautiful, very small. 1 TB, 2 TB, even 4 TB at your hand. You move your data, save your data, very small place. Magnificent product. So in my next video, I'm gonna assemble this one with Samsung Western Digital. In this case, if you want to check, please check that one. This is Western Digital SSD. I have unboxing video on this one, and this gonna support both. So it's gonna support SATA as well, SATA with double pin, also NAV drive, that is one pin, one hole, so it can support both. But all complete packages with the screwdriver, with the screw together. So I would say complete package. Price of this product could be $25 to $35 or euro, where you are. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.